The fastest way to win in any market, solve your customer's biggest pain point. Most brands, they chase purpose, features, clever ideas, but customers, they only care about one thing. Can you solve the problem that matters most to me? That's the hero pain point. Solve that better than anyone, and you own the relationship. Netflix, they crushed Blockbuster not with technology, but with simplicity. They eliminated the pain, late fees, wasted trips, and they became indispensable. When you zero in on the one pain that defines your category, you don't just compete, you redefine the market. So stop selling features, start solving pain. Solve the customer's hero pain point, and your brand becomes essential. I always say, solve the pain, win the game, be a hero pain solver.